Hello guys, this is Financial Hassan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use CapCut to edit high quality faceless videos, right? Which is actually perfect for different purposes. If you are looking forward to create faceless videos for any of your social media platform like YouTube, TikTok or Instagram, this tutorial is for you. As you can use it for different purposes, probably for storytelling niches, tutorials, or to offer services to people and make money from it. You can actually use this particular skill to edit videos for business owner and make money from it. Without wasting much time, let's get started. First of all, you just have to go to your CapCut app. So this is CapCut here. Click on CapCut. If you don't have CapCut before, you can just go to your Play Store or your Apple Store, search for CapCut and then download it. It's very easy to install, and then you just have to open the app like I opened mine here, and then click on new project. Right here, you must have taken your video footage, your stock videos and everything you want to use. It's a faceless video you actually want to create. Before you start editing, you have to get all your footage ready. I would suggest getting some of your footage, like your faceless video footage. You can actually get them on Pixel or Pixabay. Let me even show you how to get this on Pixel or Pixabay. So you can just go to your Chrome browser. I just use this right now. You can just search for Pixel, Pexel. So when you go to your Chrome browser, you can just search for Pixel here. Just click on go. This is Pixel. You can actually get free photos. You can get free videos here. Right, just get to videos and then search for the kind of video you want. Right, just tap on it. Search for the kind of videos you want. If you want someone that is probably drawing, this is someone drawing. So this is it. So you get different pictures, different videos and all. You can just click on this free download at the top, and then it will automatically download to your phone. That's just it. That's just how to get your footage and your clips, right? So for your faceless video, if it's actually photo you want, you can click on photo and get all of it, right? It's free. You can just download it for free. This is CapCut now, so I'm going to be selecting my own footage. Let me just use this and let's say a photo should actually go, then add it. It's very simple to navigate. Now it's time to add a voiceover, because this is a faceless video, so apart from the video clips and all, you need a voiceover to actually explain your video or like add more vibes to your video, right? So that's just it. I've gotten my own voiceover, as this is just about 2 minutes, but then you are still going to be doing some edits to it. Right, so let me just add the voiceover here. Right, so in case you want to add a voiceover to your video, like you see the audio below here, just click on audio, right, and then it's going to be added. So this is the sound, and you have different options here. Right, so you can actually record your own voice, use the AI generated voices from CapCut. Right, so if you want to type out something, you want CapCut AI to actually say it out for you, you can just click on text to audio here. But then if you actually want to record it on your own, you can just record it with the sounds and everything here. You can use sites like 11 Labs or Google or on any other AI tool to get an audio to use for your video. So here I'm going to be using my own voice. Right? I've recorded a voiceover. You can just use your phone voice recorder to record a voice note of what you're going to be saying in the video. So just click on sound here. Just click on sound. So it's going to bring out different sounds. Right? These are recommended sounds on CapCut. But however, since I said I've created my own voiceover, so I'll just go to my own storage. Like, so look at the other options here. Just go to this, right, and then let's say device. Yeah, so it's on my device. So I'll just click on device and just add it. So I've added my own voiceover. Right, so let's just play it and see how it looks. Style is not just about what you wear; it's how you own it. At Omo Fashion Home, we bring elegance, culture and sophistication together. So that's just it, right? But then if I actually want to make this better, right, I can just edit the voiceover, add some effects to it, just to make it more enhanced. Let me just say, if I want to enhance video, right, so it's based on my own preference. If I just want to enhance it, isolate the voice or anything, right, I can just do that based on my own preference. The volume, I can just add to the volume here. Since I want my video footage to actually match with the voiceover, so I'm going to be adjusting the video footage right now. So let me just split this. Right, you saw the way I splitted this, right? This is the back button. You can actually undo what you've done. So look at it here. Just click on this. I've undone the split. Right, let me just show you again. Style is not just about what you wear. If I actually want to split this video, I just need some part of it. I'll just click on split below. I splitted it already, and then this remaining part of the video, I don't need it, right? I'll just click on delete. Look at it, has been deleted. The beauty of this is that what your voiceover is saying is going to be very related to what the video is going to be showing. That will actually tell the audience the story and everything. So you just have to edit based on what your voiceover is saying. You have to edit based on that. So if I actually want to add speed to this voiceover, so I can just check for the speed here. Look at the speed. When you actually want to edit something, you just need to tap on it, right? And you see the options available, right? So if I want to add speed to this clip here, right, so I just have to tap on it, just tap on it, right? So when it shows this white box, you know that it's ready for you to edit. You can see how it looks. So let's play it from the beginning, begin to see.
Style is not just about what you wear, it's how you own it. At Omashaliwa Fashion Home, we bring elegance, culture, and sophistication together. From stunning African prints to contemporary fashion, our designs make a statement. Bold, unique, and effortlessly stylish. Tailored for every occasion. Designed just for you. Omashaliwa Fashion Home, where fashion meets perfection. Visit us today. Follow Omashaliwa on all social media.
So we've added the clip, we've added the voiceover. So if you have actually watched the video on how to use Meta AI to generate pictures like this, right, so you then know how to create this. But then if you are just coming across our videos for the first time, right, you can check every of our video to see the video that talks about how to generate logos like this with Meta AI. You can either type out your text by adding text, click on adding text here, or use auto caption. Since we've added the voiceover and the audio, if you've added the text as well, right, so the next thing is to add transition to your video. You click on the spaces here to make the video look cinematic and on. You have different options here for you to choose, right? The overlay, the camera, the light effect, the blur, the glitch, the basics, distortion, and all, right? So there are different transition you can actually use. The one I actually like is the mix transition. It's very simple. You can just tap on the white button here. You can look at this white line here. It shows that the video are separate. But then let's bring it together with the transition. The transition just makes your video looks professional. It's just that simple to make it look clean and professional. If you want to add some movement to this image here, you can just click on the key at the top again. Look at it at the top here. This one with the plus sign, just click on it again. So when you click on it, the image will show in the blue box. You can see the blue box around the image here on the screen. Adjust it a bit. You will see the way it will move.
Visit us today. Follow Omashaliwa on all.
If you want to add movement to your image or your video, let's take it to the end of the video. I think somewhere around here. So then add this key to it. Now it has the blue box, so just draw it from the screen to zoom out. Another thing is that you can add some animation to the beginning of this video. Look at it, right? So when I tap on this clip here, it just brings out the animation. The animation I actually love is just the fading. Very simple. You see, it's just that simple. Now we'll go to the end of the video as well. You then add animation to this. So tap on it and then add animation. It's either fade out or zoom in. I use both of them, so it makes the video look very professional. Now the next thing is just for you to add sound. If you actually want to add any sound to it, you can just add some sound to it. These are the edit menu. So the more you actually go around all of this thing, the more you get better at it, the more you get better at editing. So let's say you want to add some other sounds to it, so you can just tap on sound effects. Look at sound effects here. So let's add some sound effects to it. So I think this one will actually be best in one of the movements. So you can just tap on this effects again. It's just based on your own creativity. Once you've added all of these things, the next thing is for you to export your videos. So let's export this particular video. Let's just watch it one more time to be sure this video is okay.
Style is not just about what you wear, it's how you own it. At Omashaliwa Fashion Home, we bring elegance, culture, and sophistication together.
Wow.
From stunning African prints to contemporary fashion, our designs make a statement. Bold, unique, and effortlessly stylish. Tailored for every occasion. Designed just for you.
The more you practice, the more you get good at this. Once our video is ready like this, right, so you can just tap on export. But then before we export, look at export at the top here. If it's 4K resolution, that is high quality videos, and tap on this 1080p, right? So you can just take it to the front. If you actually want it to be 2K, that is 4K, right? It's going to be super clear, super amazing. But then I think this is the recommended one. If you are actually watching out for your space, you can take it to 720p. That is standard definition, the resolution used for most TikTok videos. And so that is actually okay too. And then the frame rate, you can take it to 50, but then 30 is okay. 30 is fine. The code rate, and so you can take it to high, but then this is recommended. So you can just leave it at that. If you are watching out for your phone space and everything, you can just keep it simple. The estimated file size, look at it below. And so this one is 38 MB. You are good to go already. Tap on export and then wait for your video to be exported. It's going to load to 100% and then you have your video ready. So our video is ready. Let me just play it for you.
Style is not just about what you wear,
You can see
it's how you own it. At Omashaliwa Fashion Home, we bring elegance, culture, and sophistication together. From stunning African prints to contemporary fashion, our designs make a statement. Bold, unique, and effortlessly stylish. Tailored for every occasion. Designed just for you. Omashaliwa Fashion Home, where fashion meets perfection. Visit us today. Follow Omashaliwa on all social media platforms.
so that's just it. And so you have your professional faceless video ready to upload. You can actually take this to anywhere, upload it wherever you want to upload it. So that's just how it is. It's very simple, super easy to navigate. If you find this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and drop a comment if you have any question. See you in the next video.